Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cinematic video using KineMaster. You don't need a PC or a camera, just use phone and KineMaster. Let's begin. First, open the KineMaster, tap the plus icon to create a new project and add your video clip to the timeline. Tap on each clip and trim unwanted part. Keep only smooth and important shots. Shorts and clean clip looks more cinematic. Now tap on the video clip, go to the color adjustment, lower brightness, increase contrast a little, reduce saturation for a film style look. You can also apply cinematic lust if available. Tap the small box between the clip, choose fade or dissolve transition, keep transition short and smooth. Simple transition looks more professional. You can also tap on the audio and add soft background music, lower the music volume so it blends with the video. Music is very important for cinematic video. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.